Okay, this is the video of us eating pizza.
Yeah.
And we're going to be hopefully having some belching.
Some.
I was trying to decide
how to take that.
Oh, should put this out of the way so it's not in your face.
Yeah, there. Wait. What are you doing? No one wants to see that.
What is it?
Covering you.
It's not covering her, you can still see.
Darn.
Chicken wing stack looks everywhere.
What?
The chicken wing stack is like
There
everywhere.
we go.
I haven't even started drinking yet. I want a straw.
No.
There's a video for you to watch. Like sucking of helium.
Oh my god.
Helium.
We talk so
winter.
dirty.
It's like horrible.
Every single thing that we say is dirty.
Really?
Yes.
We don't mention balloon at all. And we get what we mean.
It's amazing.
And Kimmy didn't get it. She's like, oh, I haven't seen this one. You don't see it.
Good going. Huh?
We're so boring. Come on. Belch.
Hey, we're gonna see how we are. It could be like the late reality show. Dun, dun. So did they cut all the board parts of this out?
Yeah.
But we're gonna keep it in.
Wow, you've been doing it twice. I can't even do it once.
I am a master burpage.
So it has burpitress?
That probably means something awful. Burper. There it is. I've already swallowed it though. God, it's way. I don't know which ones of these are mine, so I don't want you to say.
Just leave them there for now.
It's coming yet.
Yeah.
I can feel it. I'm just drinking cranberry juice too. Cute. She has to beat me now, so she's like.
I just gave a little silent one.
Oh.
Yeah, mine are loud. I also just gave a silent one.
Barely.
I didn't even hear it. I just drank. Not me, okay? This video is just for Geoff.
And the world. Are you on here? Am I? Are you? Yes, that's my arm. That's my head. I can see.
There we go. You can't see my piggishness in there, can you?
No, not at all. Now you can do that from miles away.
Oh, yeah. Time for more pizza.
Didn't they all both went up this
I only had 2 pieces.
Well, then what did you say?
Time for more pizza.
No. I only had 2 pieces. Yeah, I want one too, but I'm not going out there.
Let's know how
Check
much
it.
there is.
Ew. You should get a piece of every kind.
I
just eat every time. I know. It's
See how much
so
there is.
awful.
And bring us some wings too.
Please, I love you forever. I'm not going to. I'll tell you that right now. Nice. And we don't even have anything to put on our shirt. What's that?
Let me look for him.
For who? Jake? Or Geoff? Shoot.
No.
Too many Geoff names.
It's you, Geoff.
You're a little baby duck. You're going to sit right here. Okay?
Do you want me to tell you that I just found a
Look.
I had this nice belt, but I had to swallow it because it was right over the table.
You didn't give us anything.
Besides
I'm
that.
sad now.
Yes.
Oh!
Oh!
Shut up.
I hope you can hear every minute of it.
Oh, probably. Just, if we hear a great big belch in return, we know what's on the jack. I know, it fell off my plate. But that's from the empty one anyways.
You're so beautiful.
Okay. She's like, drops everything. When the sun sits, be flat.
Sun sits over the
Little thing. You're singing it. I didn't.
I started it.
not singing it.
When the sun sits over the ridge, you guys.
I did not say sits. I said sat. I said sits. I'm the one who
She
said
said
it.
sit right after you said sit.
I said sat.
You said sit.
I said that. You said that.
This video's gonna be miles long.
Because they're so excited.
Well, we can always just start a new one. Because it can only be like 5 minutes at a time or something.
Really?
5 to 10 minutes.
I don't know.
Or upload on YouTube, yeah.